It was raining so hard last night, all the dirt is washed up everywhere. And check out this hole. This is where we normally stop some mornings. But being as we discovered this great big hole in the ground from where the rain was running, I know, Sophie, that's your pee spot, isn't it? Sophie's like, who did this to my pee-pee spot? I know. Oh my goodness, that's terrible. I look, you got down trees back there. Wow. Yeah, we're at the doggy park, and you can see the mud damage. Look at this. Wow. It's crazy. And my tree that I worked so hard on to dig around with. And there's where the grass used to be. And there's the stool that the thing that I'm always sitting on. But look how the dirt has been washed away underneath. Wow, that's crazy. I know Sophie's investigating, like, who did this to my doggy park? She is not happy. So, who did this? You did this? Who did this? And look at back here. Oh my God. Look at that. The dirt is just left from underneath the thing. Underneath the concrete. That's crazy. Wow. Our doggy park all tore up from this rain. Unbelievable. Okay, this is the driveway out in front of the doggy park. And look at how all the dirt is washed in the parking lot. That's crazy. That was one heck of a storm last night. There's the doggy park. All washed up. Wow. Unbelievable. Boy, there's dirt everywhere. Look at that. Unbelievable. And I didn't think it rained that much last night to do this much damage, but I guess it did. There's another hole. Wow. Well, the landscapers are going to be busy for a while. Okay, there's my chicken. I seasoned it and marinated it overnight. There's lemon pepper in there. I have some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some black pepper. And I also put some herb de Provence in there, which is really good on chicken. And in this bowl, I have about a tablespoon and a half of flour, all-purpose flour, and about a half a tablespoon of cornstarch. And I'm going to coat my wings this time because I want them crunchy. So I'm going to sprinkle with a little olive oil. And sprinkle my dry seasoning. I'll put it all on there. Okay, that's going to put a nice little crust on my wings. I don't know, I just miss that little crunch when I make them in the air fryer, when I don't coat them with something. That's just my own little personal preference. Alright, so into the air fryer they're going from here. Got my air fryer all loaded up. I'm going to cook them for the first 15 minutes at 365. And then I'm going to cook them for another 10 minutes and I'll bump up the heat to about 375, 385 so I can get them nice and crispy. And here is my finished dinner. I made a simple salad. There's my dressings back there. I have some Sweet Baby Ray's spicy barbecue and some honey mustard. There's my drink for tonight, which is just lemon, cucumber, and lime water. I have my libation later. And here is my entertainment while I'm eating. I am reading Psalms 35, recommendation from my sis Narvella. Okay, you know what time it is. Let's do this. Happy National Wing Day, everybody. And this first bite is for you, the smashed potato with cheese and sour cream on it. And it was absolutely delicious, as you can tell here from my reaction. And you know what? It's funny that there is a National Wing Day. I tell you, there's a national day for everything, isn't it? But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me this week. And let me know if you like these kind of weekly vlogs, just so you can see what I'm up to during the week. I'll be more than happy to post more for you if you like. And there's our dipping sauce. So the first chicken wing is going to have some honey mustard sauce on there. So here, you take that bite too. Good, wasn't it? Yeah, but let me know if you like these type of videos, and I will be more than happy to do more. You know, these are the days where I'm kind of stuck to the house like everybody else, and you know, I don't really go anywhere simply because things are so crazy out there. So, you know, I would like to be able to connect with you guys and let you see what I'm up to during the week and what I'm doing to keep my sanity. And I hope you all have something to keep you busy and, you know, keeping you safe. And if you're at work, I pray that you are working in an environment where they're keeping everything safe for all the employees. And you know what? This is some perilous times that we're going through, guys, and we'll get through it. We just have to do it together and do it safely. So, on that note, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much and welcome. Thank you for stopping by and enjoying a few minutes of your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. And leave me a comment. I love comments and I answer all of my comments. And please feel free to share the link to my channel with everyone you know in the universe. Stay safe, be blessed, stay prayed up, and trust God. You know, He's still in control, so trust Him. And wear your mask. It's now mandatory now in most states. Wear your mask and protect yourself and protect others. And thanks again for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon.